What are dental crowns and why are they used? With regards to dental treatments, one of the most popular treatments patients could require is a crown for their teeth. However, what are exactly dental crowns and how to use them? In this clip, we'll explore the basic concepts of dental crowns, as well as the reason why they are highly recommended by dentists. Before we begin, let's learn what a dental cap is. Dental crowns are a tooth-shaped cap, which is placed over damaged teeth in order to restore its shape and size, strength, and look. It's basically the prosthetic part covering the entire visible area of a tooth above that gum line. Dental crowns can be constructed using a variety of substances such as porcelain, steel, and ceramic. The selection of the material is based on the needs specific to patients and the place of the tooth inside the mouth. We'll now discuss the reason why dental crowns are employed. One of the main reasons for requiring a dental crown is the need to fix teeth that have had a significant decay or damage. When a tooth is damaged or fractured or has a significant cavity, a dental crown could offer the assistance and protect against the possibility of further injury. In a few cases, it is possible that a crown be advised following an operation to protect the treated tooth. Crowns for dental use are used for improving the appearance of teeth. If a tooth's shape is irregular and discolored or suffers from any other aesthetic issues, the dental crown may be put in place to boost its appearance and give the appearance of a natural smile. Crowns can be made in order to complement the color, size, and design of surrounding teeth, making sure that they seamlessly integration with the smile. Alongside repairing damaged teeth and enhancing the appearance of their teeth, they can be employed to guard the teeth that are weak or vulnerable. As an example, a tooth that is weakened through a massive filling or a number of dental procedures can be more vulnerable to harm. For this reason, it is possible to use a dental crown to be the ideal reinforcement needed for the tooth to keep it from breaking and fracture. In addition, dental crowns can be utilized as a cover for dental implants or connect bridges made of dental material. In the event that a tooth becomes missing or damaged, dental implants is placed inside the jawbone for use as a replacement for the root. Dental crowns are connected to the implant in order to make a natural-looking functional tooth. A dental bridge comprised of several crowns which are connected to adjacent natural teeth could be utilized to cover the gap created due to missing teeth. The bottom line is that dental crowns are both versatile and vital devices in restorative dental procedures. They can serve many functions, like repairing damaged teeth, enhancing their appearance, protecting teeth that are weak, and replacing lost teeth. If you're suffering from dental problems, like tooth decay, damages, or aesthetic issues, discuss with your dentist about the possibilities of having a crown. When you have the correct procedure and maintenance, it is possible to assist you to achieve a healthier and comfortable smile.